Introducing Texas Roll-Off, your premier choice for dumpster rental in League City, Texas. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we've got you covered. With our convenient services and top-notch customer care, you can trust us to handle all your waste management needs. At Texas Roll-Off, we take pride in our commitment to excellence. Our dumpsters are durable, reliable, and ready to tackle any job. When you choose Texas Roll-Off, you're not just getting a dumpster. You're getting a team dedicated to making your experience seamless and stress-free. Our knowledgeable staff is here to help you select the right dumpster size for your project and answer any questions you may have. From start to finish, we ensure that your project stays on track and your waste management needs are met efficiently and professionally. So why wait? Experience the difference for yourself and discover why we're the preferred choice for dumpster rental in League City, Texas. Join the countless satisfied customers who have chosen Texas Roll-Off for their dumpster rental needs. Call us today at 409-941-9820 or visit our website at www.texasrolloff.com. Dumpster Rental League City TX to learn more. Don't let waste pile up. Call Texas Roll-Off today and together, let us make a difference.